तो अब कुछ बात हो जाए लड़ाई के एक्सपर्ट की। आप सोच रहे होंगे मैं किसी रेसलर को, फाइटर को लाने वाला हूं, लेकिन नहीं, मैं एक फाइट डायरेक्टर का जिक्र करने वाला हूं। और पाकिस्तानी फिल्म मौला जट के जो हमारे फाइट डायरेक्टर हैं और स्टंट्स को भी देखते हैं, उनका नाम है इयन वेन टेम्परली। वो हमारे जब वॉइस ओवर आर्टिस्ट अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हैं ना, थोड़ा मुश्किल में पड़ जाते हैं, उन्होंने लैन वैन कह दिया, इट्स इयन वैन। वेलकम टू दुनिया बोल है इयन वेन टेम्परली। हाउ आर यू? थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग अस योर टाइम। कैन यू हियर मी प्रॉपर्ली?
I can, thank you very much.
We're grateful to you for working for the Pakistani movie industry, film industry, because we've never seen such good action scenes. We've never seen such good talent as in the movie Maula Jatt. How was your experience working in Pakistan? What did you see? How did you feel?
Yeah, me and my team, we had a great time. We were made very, very welcome. Bilal, the director, we became very good friends, and yeah, we had a great time on making the movie.
Are we expecting? Should we expect more action movies coming in Pakistan from you?
Well, I hope so. If I get a phone call, I'll definitely consider it, of course.
What kind of another question, which is very important. Where do you see the Pakistani film industry when we talk about action? Because we've never been up to the mark as per the world. If you see India, they're far ahead. If you see Hollywood, they're far ahead. We were way further behind. So what do you think should be done to bring better action movies in Pakistan? I think you should open an institute here to teach people how to do it.
Well, yeah, I mean, there is always that. I don't know. I mean, I think from the legend of Maula Jatt, I mean, we've basically broken new ground.
Yeah.
Show people that it can be done in Pakistan, and yeah, like you say, it's a case of bringing people up to speed and training them in the art that is stunt direction.
Who was better, Fawad Khan, Hamza, Abbasi, or someone else?
No, I think they all worked very hard and they all brought something to the table. I can't say I had a favourite. That'd be unfair.
I've been told that you're in India right now and you're working on some big projects. Would you like to tell us about that?
Yes, I am. I'm not sure how much I'm allowed to say, but we're just in prep at the moment. I've got a team over here. It's a big horse movie. So yeah, we're at the moment we're training.
What's the difference between the Indian industry and the Pakistani industry, in your opinion? Huge.
I mean, the actual filming experience when I was in Pakistan and here, I don't think there's that much difference.
Alhamdulillah.
I mean, obviously they've got a little bit more experience, but overall experience for me.
And how do you see the action movies, the market for action movies? Because I personally love action movies. I don't like love stories. So I'm sure you love them too. What made you become an action director? Tell us about yourself. How did you end up here?
It was since I was a little boy at school. That's playing cowboys and Indians and soldiers and all that sort of stuff. And now I do it, and I haven't grown up, and I just get paid for it now.
How expensive are you?
Fairly.
One needs to be expensive to survive in this world these days. I'm grateful to you, Ian, for working for our movie Maula Jatt, because that is it's a proud moment for all Pakistanis. When we see Maula Jatt, we see that action scenes, we see that kind of cinematography, videography. I'm really happy that you worked for Maula Jatt, and I hope to see you in more Pakistani movies in the coming time. Right?
Me also. Thank you very much.
Any message you want to give to Pakistani people who are listening to you? Maybe you're missing biryani, korma or nihari?
No. I've just had to say a big hello to all the team that worked on Maula Jatt and made it happen, especially to Bilal and Amara. They're great people. And yeah, just keep going forward and let's see what comes of it, if we can make some more fantastic movies.
World famous renowned action director Ian Wen temporarily, thank you so very much for giving us your time. It's quite obvious that you are one of the reasons why the movie was such a success. मैं शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा इनका, ऐसे एक्शन डायरेक्टर्स अगर पाकिस्तान में मूवीज में काम करते रहें तो यकीनन हमारी मूवियां अच्छी बनेंगी और अच्छा काम दुनिया भर में मशहूर होगा, पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन होगा, जिस तरह मौला जट ने पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन किया। मैं दुआ को हूं कि आने वाले वक्त में भी ऐसी फिल्में बने।
खूने नाहक बहुत पी चुकी ये जमीन, अब कोई दिन में ये खून उगलने को है। खत्म हो जाएगी ये तमाशागरी, वक्त पलटेगा रोजे जजा की तरह। ये जो पेशावर में ताजा लहू है बहा, एक क़यामत करेगा फलक पर बपा। गम की सलमनाक घड़ी में बोल सानह पेशावर में शहीद होने वालों के लवाहिकीन के साथ।